What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So it's been a while since I made a video, but today's a special day. We're gonna check out the new Ducati V4. We got a dealership about 15 minutes away from my place, so we're gonna check it out. I don't know, maybe one day I'll switch to Team Italian, but I just can't give up the reliability of Japanese bikes. Nevertheless, this is a beautiful machine. This is Ducati's new flagship model. Crazy lightweight. I think it's pushing maybe 400 pounds. Just slightly over. I think it was 419 maybe. 419 with crazy amount of horsepower, probably 200 plus. I don't know if Ducati released the specs on this bike yet, but if it's anything like the previous models, it's going to be pushing 200 plus and crazy amount of torque in such a lightweight package. So we're headed to So Cycles. They got this bike on display today. You may meet a few of my track buddies there. Wired Moto, check out his channel. I'll include a link down below. Alright guys, pulling up to So Cycles. Not very many cars. I thought this would be a lot more crowded. Huh. Let's see if we can get some decent parking. Alright guys, so we just got to So Cycles. We are in the Ducati section. You can see their fresh lineup of bikes. So first off, I'll show you this beautiful V2. Man, I just love the V2s. They're simple, they're clean. And then you have this Super Sport S. Beautiful bike. They're just super heavy. It's the only reason why I probably haven't leaned towards these. They're pushing 460, so. But you can't deny it's a gorgeous bike. So this is the S, so it's got the Öhlins suspension setup and just a whole bevy of bikes here. But the reason why we're here is what's under that tarp. You can see a little bit of it here. They're actually not supposed to unveil this until 2 p.m. This is their new flagship model, the Ducati V4, and hopefully we can get them to take the tarp off and see if we can get a peek at it. One right now. All right. All right. Ready? Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Oh man. God.
That is absolutely wicked looking.
I'm happy I can get you guys this footage. Here it is, Ducati V4s. I didn't think they actually have the Fs here, so you know it's equipped with the Öhlins suspension. And it has the beautiful dual Acura exhaust in the back. I thought it would be Termignoni just because that's what Ducati's known for, but either way, can't deny that this is a beautiful bike. 200 millimeter rear tire, probably super courses, I'm guessing. Yep, I'm assuming, yep, super courses as expected. I wouldn't expect anything less on this bike. It doesn't have a clear clutch case, but I'm sure they'll make aftermarket modifications or an OEM option pretty soon here. Tail tidy just looks clean. Those are the new tail lights. They're a little bit more square than last year, but I don't mind them. I think they look pretty good. With the lights on in the dark, they just look so killer. See that Öhlins extra reservoir rear suspension. Beautiful bike all around. God, such a gorgeous bike. I'm not going to touch it just because I don't think I'm allowed to, but I'm so glad this one came with the carbon wings in the front. Before, in all the ads I see, they're all red, and it just makes the bike look a little funky. The carbon fiber wings just break it apart and really gives a clean look to the bike. But here you go, guys. Here's your first look at the Ducati V4s here at So Cycles. Check it out. I'm assuming this is already spoken for, but gorgeous bike. God, look at that huge dash. What is that, like an 8-inch, 9-inch dash? It's humongous. You see that live suspension? Oh man. Whoever gets this bike is going to be very happy. I don't know, maybe one day we'll go Team Italian, but it's just a gorgeous bike. So that was the V4S. Hopefully you guys enjoyed checking out that shop. If you ever make it down to So Cycles, they got a big selection. It's not just Ducati. We got a whole selection of Triumph motorcycles. I didn't even realize Triumph was in the dirt bike world, but they got some pretty sweet little racers here. Nice little 250. They have a whole bunch of gear too, so you got a whole bunch of you got a large pre-owned section bike back there. You got Ducati over here, and you got a good selection in BMW up here as well. It's a whole carbon lineup. Now that everyone's kind of cleared out, I stuck around to see if I can get some solo footage of it, but once again we'll do a quick walk around of this V4S. I love that it came with the carbon wings. It looks so much cleaner than the all red. It just breaks apart that look, and it looks so clean. So I was talking to Devin here. He said this exhaust is the Acura exhaust, a dual tip. If it's anything like Termignoni exhaust, you know they run about 7K, 8K maybe, but it just looks so good on the bike.
Is probably another like 6 to 7.
Okay.
By itself. Yeah.
What does it come with? At 33, what do you get for exhaust?
Well, so the stock exhaust,
just
the
under-
pipe
under
actually
yeah.
comes up to like right here.
You get the bread box and stuff.
Do one last walk around here of the rear. 200 Pirelli Supercorsas, Öhlins, and a very large TFT display. Looks like you have adjustable shifters, left and right. Gorgeous. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys on another video. Got this beautiful S1000 under the Christmas tree double R. I love these new wings on the double R. It just looks so good. A lot of bikes here at So Cycles. Yeah, come on down and check it out, guys. There's a wrap. We're leaving So Sound Motorcycles. They have all the motorcycles you could ever want. Beautiful selection of Ducati motorcycles. We got some good footage. We're gonna head out of here.
Every day we celebrate, we don't need